everyone, as you can see, we have the new HomePod in front of us. I have several variations of the HomePod. I have the original HomePod, the HomePod Mini, and then now this guy as well. So what we're doing today is just unboxing this and then setting it up. And then in a future video, we'll compare the original HomePod to this HomePod. But before we do that, let's see what else comes in the box. And that's it over there. So we'll put this guy over here. And if you have any questions while we're going through this, please feel free to ask down below. So in there, we've got the instructions, which will probably tell you how to set it up. Okay, perfect. And then that's really it on that. And then lastly, which is a welcome improvement, we actually have a detachable cord, which was not available in the original HomePod. So what we're gonna do now is go ahead and get things cleaned up here, and then we'll go ahead and set this up. Actually, before we do that, let's take a look at it. So we do have the plug, like I said, and then at the bottom here, we have the bottom there. So that's really it as far as what you get with the HomePod. So let's go ahead and get things cleaned up, and then we'll go ahead and get things set up together here. So let's go ahead and plug it in here together. The only thing I've done is plug it into the wall. Turn off this light. There's a little bit of a glare. See what happens here. All right, so it's letting us know that there is an update, so we'll go ahead and check for updates.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
All right, so I did have to install the latest iOS, so just make sure you do that first. So let's go ahead and click on Setup now, finally, and let's see what happens. I'm just selecting what room that this is going in, and this is going to go in the family room. Not now. Setting up. And I try to do this at normal speed, that way you can see exactly what it's like as far as setting this up. So that way there's no surprises when it's taking as long as it is right now for me. Hopefully it doesn't take that long for you. If you have any questions while this is going through, feel free to ask down below. All right, HomePod is ready. Okay, so let's see what how it works. There we go.
Okay, here's a station just for you.
Maybe. Let's try, the problem is I've got so many connected Apple devices that if I use the S word, it's going to be interesting to see what happens. So let's see what happens if I do this. Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 12:55 p.m.
Okay. I like how this fills up pretty well, and it sounds good. Obviously, over time, we'll find out more, but really this video is just about the unboxing and setting things up. And in a future video, I'll go ahead and compare this to the original HomePod, and then we'll do a follow-up video probably in 3 to 6 months, just to see how it compares between the two. Like I said before, if you have any questions, ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting, like home automation, electronics, going to theme parks, Star Wars The Black Series, basically anything a professional geek might find interesting. And with that, have a great day.